Namaste, Prema from LG Electronics. Today I am making a recipe of naan khatai.
Naan khatai ingredients. So here I taken for 50 grams of ghee, 100 grams of maida, half cup of sugar powder, half cup of besan powder, half cup of rava, little bit elachi powder, salt to taste and baking powder. Start. Add for the ghee. Ghee and sugar powder. So very nicely we can make this. When you blend this, it comes to creamy part. So this is creamy it will become. For this I'll add for half cup of rava, half cup of besan powder, 1 cup of maida, salt to taste, just little bit salt to taste. So for this I'll add for elachi powder, 1 pinch of elachi powder. Just we can mix well, make it for the soft dough. So this is we made for the soft dough. Just we can keep it for 5-10 minutes so the rava gets soaked on this. Okay, then we can make it shapes and bake it on this. See now it will be nicely fluff up on this. So this is we can make it shapes. So make it on the round shape only. Keep it like this. You can make according to your style of shapes. You can make it on this. Okay, see now I made for the naan khatai here. So now we can go for the ear. So we can select for the convection 200 degree, preheat the oven. So after the preheating, so it will be comes to a beep sound. Once the beep sound will become, we can open the door, keep it with a low grill rack with a multi-cook pan, set the time for 15 minutes. Now it's get preheating. 200 degree preheating is done. Now it comes to the beep sound. Once the beep will become, when we open, keep it for the low grill rack. We'll keep the naan khatai inside. Close the door. Set the time for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Start. Last 10 seconds will be there for the naan khatai recipe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. See. Sim. So naan khatai is done. Okay. Thank you.